So, it's been probably 35 years since I first attempted to grow my very first avocado tree in the ground. I purchased a tree at one of the big box stores. I don't remember which one it was, and I'm not even sure which variety of avocado that I planted. It was something grafted, bacon maybe, Hass, Zutano, something that they usually carry in the big box stores here in San Joaquin Valley, Zone 9B. Anyway, I had a book. I forgot the name of the book. I'm getting old. My memory's kind of slipping. But I remember vividly the book had told me to dig a hole in the ground 3 times the size of the pot that your avocado tree was in, add some compost to the soil, add your fertilizer to the soil, put your avocado tree in, cover it up with soil, add lots of water, and you should be okay. Wrong. Hi, my name is Jeff. Welcome to my Tropical Garden channel. Today we are going to talk about a hack that I've discovered over the last 35 years that I've been growing avocado trees in various yards and gardens in my lifetime. And I want to share that hack with you. But first, if you like this type of channel, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. So yeah, I planted that tree, and I subsequently, it died. And the following year, I bought another tree. It looked even more healthy. I said, must have been something wrong with the tree. So I bought me I believe it was a Hass the following year, and it was beautiful, just similar to this, just very green and healthy. And I followed those instructions again. Dug a hole, added compost to the hole, added fertilizer to the hole, put the plant in the hole, filled it up with soil, watered it deeply, kept it well watered all through the year, and darn it if it didn't make it through the summer. I think it rotted out. And I noticed, I was driving down in Southern California, actually southern part of our valley here in the San Joaquin Valley down by Bakersfield, and I noticed that a farmer had started growing avocados in the foothills. And I noticed that even in the foothills where there's good drainage, they had planted avocados on hills, little mounds. Looked like they were big too, like 3-foot mounds. Maybe there's something in our soil. Maybe it has to do with the soil that the avocados are potted in. But I came home, and lo and behold, I mounded the soil up and planted the avocado tree, and I'll be darned if it didn't survive. And it even survived the winter when it was pretty chilly. What's my secret hack? Well, here it is. I like to plant all my avocado trees up off the soil, off the ground. Plant them in boxes or planter boxes or raised areas. But you can see this one is planted at least a foot off the ground. Better 18 inches or 2 feet. The soil drains well. The avocados are unique in that they have this web of roots in the topsoil. As you can see right here, I got a lot of mulch and stuff in there that's breaking down, feeding that web of roots that are in the topsoil. It's probably top 3 or 4 inches that the nutrition is absorbed into the soil, into the roots. And but they don't like being in this hard-packed soil, and they don't like a lot of composted material in the root zone, because that rots and kills the roots, and then the whole tree will die. So there you have it. That's my secret. That's my first secret. I have more. And if you like this type of channel, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. My name is Jeff. You have a good day.